Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless, and welcome back. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, let's jump right into it. Today we're talking about the 15-minute market profile. What this is a 15-minute 20-day market profile. Here are the settings. Okay, I'm using volume profile, and then this thing called a small dogs fibs, which is essentially just Fibonacci levels over here to the right, high to low, the 23, 38, 50% levels. Here are the settings, and then for the volume profile, here are the settings that I use. Custom chart. You could pause the video and right here is to get all these down. I'll also post the link inside for this chart down below in the description. So the way I use this chart is mainly for here's your point of control, and then also your value area high, value area low, 70% of all the volumes traded within these two levels. And as we start to fall, I'll just use the low volume nodes and high volume nodes as potential support or resistance, right? So if we actually start to pull back, I would use this point of control more as a support level. And if maybe there was a Fibonacci level, kind of like right here, if we start to really fall, and we came down to the 38% from high to low of the fib, I would probably look to be a buyer, because as price falls, we have the 38% fib, but we also have a low volume node with a high volume here. So somewhere within this range, I would be looking to be a buyer. I would also look at my other charts. Is there confluence at these levels that I could kind of lean against and trade with and all that. So really great chart if you're a market profile person, just to kind of see what's happening, where's support resistance kind of under the hood over the last 20 days based on a 15-minute chart. Now, remember that every day that passes by, right, you're going to lose a day's worth. So this is always going to be changing. So let's say we have 2 days here. Well, if we just kind of go sideways over the next couple of days, all this market profile is going to be reshifted because it's going to disappear. It takes the very last day and it falls off. And so this will look different on a day-to-day basis, but it's amazing how well price still reacts to all of these levels. So again, I'll leave the link down below. A great chart to have up for kind of the bigger picture if you're more of like a swing trader or longer term day trader, we'll say, or even long term, like, hey, where would the major support be if we started to fall over the next couple days type of a trader. So again, thank you for watching, and always make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and until my next video, thank you.